Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Bharat and you're watching Swag Tech. In this video, I'm gonna share my experience with buying tripods and which are the best possible options as of now. Watch the video till the end because I'm gonna bust some myths that are spread on the internet. If you go on Flipkart or Amazon or any other website and search for tripods, you will get many tripods under 500 claiming to be of best quality and whatnot. Trust me on that, these tripods couldn't last even a week. So please don't try to save your money here. They could break your phone, and don't even think of mounting a DSLR on these. I don't know why people are recommending these, God knows. So now I will tell you what you should buy, and the minimum budget is around Rs 800. These tripods will easily serve your purpose for YouTube or any other type of content creation. Saivo WT3130. It is a 50-inch tripod with a carrying case and phone mount included. The build quality is satisfactory and a lot better in comparison to those cheap 500 ones. Amazon Basics Tripod. It starts from $699 for 50-inch and it has 3 different sizes to choose from. Its build quality is also good and can be ideal for some entry-level DSLR cameras. It has a grab handle which makes it easier to lift. But keep in mind, it does not come with a phone mount, so you have to buy it separately for 150 rupees. Digitech Tripod. This is the minimum you should get for a DSLR camera. The build quality is one of the best in segment. It has a max height of 5.5 feet and load capacity of 5 kgs, and for this also you have to buy the mount separately. Kodak Tripod T210. So according to me, if you shoot with your phone, then Kodak T210 is the best buy because it comes with a mount included and has a very sturdy build. I bought this for 1500 on Amazon. Have a look at the shots and I will explain every movement possible and other pros included. So if this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel because I make these kind of videos regularly. Thank you and have a nice day.